Good morning, everyone. This is your moral teaching period. Students, today we will do exercise of lesson number 5, the thankful mouse. Student, I hope you have understood the story very well. So today we will do the exercise. Everyone take out your book and write down the date and quotation. Today's date is 7.11.20. The quotation is never give up. Put the full stop here and draw the blue pencil line. These are the word and these are the meaning. You have to learn the word meaning also. Precious, valuable, of great value. Advise, to suggest. Lightning, a flash of light passing between clouds, followed by thunder. So student, after reading the word meaning, you have to learn these meaning. We have do the question answer. So everyone, first number question, you have to read it. Who came to see Mr. Cat? In the story, student, you know who came to see Mr. Cat? Mr. Mouse. Mr. Mouse to see Mr. Cat. Number 2. Why did Mr. Bear get angry? Student, in the story, the bottle of honey broke by Mr. Cat. That is why Mr. Bear angry. Okay, so our answer is because Mr. Cat broke his honey bottle. His means Mr. Bear's honey bottle. Number 3. Why did Mr. Mouse always thank God? In the story, you have already read this. Mr. Mouse always thank God. Why did he do so? Because whatever God does is for good. Ishwar, God means Ishwar. Ishwar, whatever God does, ईश्वर जो भी करता है इज फॉर गुड, अच्छे के लिए करता है. दैट इज वाई वी ऑलवेज थैंक टू गॉड. नंबर 4. what should we do while facing a difficult time? What should we do while facing a difficult time? Student, we should never give up hope. Never give up hope in the difficult time. When we face difficult time, we should never give up hope. हमें आशा नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए. ओके. Second exercise, do you do the following activity yourself? Write yes or no in the box given alongside. These activities you have to do or not do. Fill a bottle with water from the tap. Yes or no? Now you are do this type of activities for your home? Yes. So yes. Wipe the crockery to help your mother? No, because you are too small for this. Iron your clothes? No. Do your homework? Yes. Clean your room? Yes. These activities you can do yourself. After doing these activities, student color this dancing bear. You can see in the picture the bear is dancing. So you have to color this picture with a brown color or a black color. Whatever color you want, you have to color it. Number 4. These are your daily activities. When you get up from your bed, these activities you have to do. Remember and write them in the correct order. Student, tell me, after leaving the bed, whatever you have to do. Yes, first of all you have to brush your teeth, then take bath. So bath is second number activity. After bathing, you have to do your breakfast. Yes. After doing the breakfast, you are ready to going to school. Okay. After finishing the school, after completing the school, you play some game. After playing, this is your study time. Then you go to the study. So student, this is the poem. Read and recite. Thank you for the earth so sweet. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. So, student, you have to read this poem, and when you take your lunch, before lunch, you have to read this poem to thank the God, because God gives us so many things. They are wonderful. God is Almighty.